Welcome back to Overheat, the 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome. External design sleek and contemporary body lines with no superfluous protrusions and a robust yet smooth contour. Complete LED adaptive lighting. The most cutting-edge adaptive matrix LED technology is used in the headlights and taillights. Integrated panoramic windows. The large back and side windows offer sweeping exterior views since they blend in perfectly with the body. The primary entrance is a sleek electric sliding door with an attractively appearing and disappearing motorized stairway. 360-degree camera and automatic parking system. The body is equipped with high-resolution sensors and cameras that allow for accurate automated parking, even in confined areas. Interior ergonomic modular sofa. This type of sofa is modular or L-shaped and may be rearranged for different uses. A dining table that automatically folds and stores against the wall or floor is called an auto-fold table. The Burmester premium surround sound system is linked to a large OLED screen that retracts from the wall as part of the integrated infotainment system. Adaptive ambient lighting is an LED lighting system with color and intensity adjustments. Kitchen, huge compressor refrigerator with freezer, microwave, a convection oven, 2 or 3 burner induction cooktop, and large sink with pull-out faucet. Every inch is maximized with creative storage and hidden drawers. A fixed bed with a high-quality memory foam mattress is a queen or king-size bed. A mild hybrid diesel engine optimizes performance and improves fuel efficiency by combining electric boost with diesel efficiency. Full electric powertrain, EQV-based, for a more eco-friendly journey with faster charging and a longer range. By automatically altering the vehicle's height, adaptive air suspension offers an extremely stable and comfortable driving experience. Optional for a Mattress all-wheel drive AWD system, for light off-road use or navigating rougher terrain. Biometric Security System. Facial recognition or fingerprint scanning can be used to enter a vehicle. Smart connectivity, completely included into the ecosystem of smart homes.